For breaking news, go to itiskitimes.co.za. It is TV powered by World Sports Betting. It is times.co.za. It's TS Galaxy 2, Mamelodi Sundowns 0 in the Nedbank Cup. Congratulations to TS Galaxy. Mlungi Simbunjana walk away with a man of the match. First goal by Ungwenya, second goal by Ujunia Zindonga from a penalty. Mamelodi Sundowns chasing the game the whole of the second half, missing opportunities, and it is TS Galaxy who go through to the next round, beating Sundowns not for the first or the second time. It's one of their favorite fixtures. Mamelodi Sundowns, of course, completely changed, but that's not an excuse. Well done to TS Galaxy. Junior Kanye, what did you make of the game, sir?
Yeah, ngikule mabrother kunjani?
Yes, sir.
Ngibulise Justice.
That's just sir.
Ngibulise Benedict Sovila guys. Ngibulise Shane.
Yes, sir.
Ngibulise Bobzin. Bafethu kunjani? Keep on supporting Diski TV, fighting no one try to fix South African football. Yeah, well done to TS Galaxy. I think well done to them. Medespa inigi credit they won. Beating Sundowns is easy. We talk about Sundowns just beat Limpopo. Through with Limpopo away. Beat Roland Mkwena. Away it was matters most. Beat Orlando Pirates. City it was a favor. We can't say it's a second stream team. Those are Mamelodi Sundowns players. Going to the game. I think it is Galaxy doesn't say on a favor with Baliteli game like Solomon Mahlangu Stadium. Very narrow pitch, pitch. We should pitch kakhulu. Also a bumpy pitch. I don't think he suits Sundowns the way they want to play. Always made an extra touch. Mabadlara. As could mention a game how they start the game. Lomfan Paraman Mahlam, the two wide wingers, which is Ujunia Zindonga and Paraman Mahlam.
Selulego Mahlambi.
Selulego.
He's the brother of Pagamani.
Yes, I will say Pagamani.
Selulego. This one is his own career. Is in a career. Selulego Mahlambi.
Speedy players.
Is the brother of
speedy players, very dynamic. Also Vichali Swallow central as a striker. I think they put Sundowns under pressure. I think Sundowns, they make their own mistakes. Beba is good to want to press them there. They will make mistake. Coach Orlando Mamelodi Sundowns, I know with Mhlambe Sizoti, Coach Mhlamba Mcheli good not to win this tournament. But each and every game for him, it's like, for me, it's a final. Yes, I won't blame him too much. Personal. I won't blame him with Atlali said his second stream team. Because this coach, Atlali Champions League, is going to play last 8 Champions League. Very tough. Now it's a knockout. Now we need to beat Amazulu in order to came in hand. He must. So I'm going to play him. He show me personally. You understand that by not playing his team. Though I'm a player allow Sundowns we talk about these second stream players team. I'm a player every time they have to come to the field on my expectations. We understand. You can't rely to the only 11. Sundowns, these are quality players, if you can be honest. But the level of match fitness, I think it's a different. The confident we lose the touch. Yes, class is permanent. When I'm a player we told with the 5-6 games and now you come in this game, intensity high. You're playing against TS Galaxy players that are playing week in and week out. Though coach made a Siemens excuse, but I understand. But fans with Sundowns, I don't think they will understand this. But technical team is Sundowns, I know they want. For me, they want Champions League. They want the league, which is league by winning already. We can't say Pirates won it either. Both of them want a chance, and Sundowns need to win the game in hand. So, well done to TS Galaxy. They press Sundowns first goal. I understand. As so coach Sundowns, la minangzom play makona ngem pointer ifinger. I understand what la lisu divine doing center back.
Yeah.
Gula ichive yami khona ngai. You take with divine doing mdlalisa is center left center back. I don't understand. That's why I don't understand. You let go Libusa, search game bomb neither. Yaboma game njengalawa ulibusa mhlambe angadlala noJohannes angibonanga any mistake ulo. I mean to say I think bayadlana lo mfana Malibonge Khoza and I suspect Malibonge, I know he's a junior graduate for Sundowns, but the boys niggas in the Melas improve. I need to be honest, he's too slow for their position. He like to hold on the ball, uthanda my extra touches. Ngiyazi ukuthi the way badlala ngakhona umfana I think iplay yakhe i-Sundowns the way badlala ngakhona banalesi thing with this boy ngoba mina mangibheka he's sort of a defensive midfield this boy.
Yeah.
But now they're playing him at the back. It's too slow. Ukuthi anga build up it's too noma ngabe slow. I think the mindset had to change. Sometimes minimize ama-touches wakho. So mabampressa lo mfana beka too many mistakes, upanika too much. Ulungo uphuma out of position udlala ibhola phakathi. I don't understand. Le bhola libe ne-power. Well done to this boy Mahlambi for erection. Very attack face labantu babhekele. You need to erect. Well done, good finish. There was nothing on
Oh yeah, it was Ungwenya.
I mean to say Ngwenya.
The first goal.
Yeah, Ngwenya. Well done to him. I think good finish from the guy. After that, I think it's Sundowns from there. The way back the game ngakhona. I think coaching that's me point that. Secondly, ungadlala defensive midfield. Unomkhulisi doesn't play week in and week out. Udlala ngoResinho, which is a big favor for me. Bamenzele favor enkulu. Resinho, I've got nothing against players with Sundowns, all the players that are there. But to Resinho, what Sundowns have for me, you can't pay Resinho ahead of this Mkhulisi boy. You can't. Because this boy here in West, no man abakadlala regularly. Every time you play him, he will give 100. Mangagni 100 will give 85. So the boy no puma ngenzanga next. So sometimes I'm a player gcina enza into wrong. Kula coaching point on defensive midfield which is unomkhulisi ngaphandle wawo ungadlala nge-defensive midfield. Ungadlala ke ngoNuno, udlale ngawo Allense mhlambe uyi-one sort of Allense uyazi ukuthi umuntu ozolfetch ibhola Nuno playing next to Shalile. Another stuff uShalile in today's game they can't teach you basic football in future. I mean uShalile is playing sort of Bamdlali says the second best. With Sundowns, they've got Leon now. Now Leon mastered it. You understand? They can play off the ball. We was shoot good first touch. He understand his teammate. He score goals. So Shalile, good pass from. I know good to Shalile Abapela. Is sort of a goal poucher. But Gunepola whereby after the I think he checks Galaxy Corrile. Goal number 2.
Try offside trap Guyo.
Just receive that ball. Mangaba receive. Diving header. Mawubona ukuthi izokubhayizisa and then change complexion of game. So now, well done to this boy Mbojana, the game management. I think he managed the game. Sundowns they pegged their midfield. But Lalanga check I think 4. It's Nuno, Allende, Nthabeling, which is I understand why Phumile Mfana. The boy for me, he did very well. Young energy, that mobility, it joined on the box. Umuntu bekaba decision making. Because even now, for me. You bring another winger. Coach, I think him no really came. Bring another winger and then go be balance. Not even Matthews, because Matthews nice. I think for me, he's getting away. He's playing week in and week out. I don't understand why he's playing. Why? Okay, no man says impact player. What do you bring in Sundowns? I just wanna find out. So coach him Shaile na la puta keep this point unchabile. For me, I think him limazilike. But well done, Jobangisho Mbujane. I think he managed the game very well. The coach with TS Galaxy also bringing this guy Matrez coming from Mvelasi. He's playing as number 10, but pick midfield. He was playing sort of like 3 defensive midfielders.
Yeah.
In Kulmanga second half. Pick the midfield, make it very difficult. Sometimes putting a break here. And then now they had to go to the side like right. Nangale. Coach had to make it up with Sundowns, bring Diba. You understand that taking out Tulung. Mshambegan thing with going forward as sneaky next decision making. We problem as well. So well done to TX Galaxy, but the coach TX Galaxy almost took the show Elasha came second half. He brought even a wing back. You understand to come into the juniors and now become a left wing back. Besaka defender the edge of the box, which is very dangerous. Sundowns is just the goalkeeper safe. Well done. But not the ten Shamshishi da. A bit I think Umshishi unfit a bit. I gotta be right. Yabo akakabi lo mshishi nawo maziyo sengikhuluma ngereaction the way acabanga khona ibholelas uyambona ngale yathela ikuthela yonke into ngayo but it's not himself. He came and lost the ball kuma dangerous areas uthola ukuthi amabhola athina kwama break and then sometimes get away ngoba kunebhola ba breakile goalkeeper safe bekumele bukulitha uVitali Tswalo if uthatha decision right lapha 3
should have scored, yeah. Should have scored.
3-0 and then it's done. So le bhola leni mawungabheka abaluza kuphi Sundowns lost as ngisho umshishi beka waluza uma dangerous but ngale ya 10 ikutshela ukuthi umshishi ubani and nenye into I don't think match fitness njoba ngisho akakabi right enye into sekhona nokhula but ingcondo yebhola uyambona unayo so Resinha as well I think coach umkhipha isikhathi eside kakhulu so Sundowns not much threat babe nama-chance ulitholile nelinye ibhola I think there was a ball ile lakashalile ile lakamshishi there was another ball whereby lidlule I think the goalkeeper safe I can't remember ubani ama-chance ayi-3 but well done to TS they deserve I mean they got 2 chances they've buried them and then they defend njengoba ngisho bese badlala ama-dies defender edge of i-box well done to TS Galaxy ukuthi ikhiphe i-Sundowns yes ucoach ngihlale ngisho nayizolo ngishilo mina ngimblame but the coach is under pressure each and every game is playing kunama expectations we're talking about the team that spend a lot here.
So now just to wrap it up, it's 2 competitions. It's the league and the CAF Champions League. It means you got the excuse today as a coach. You are given, the fans can forgive you. Maybe by Monday they will forget. But in the 2 competitions that you are in, you are putting yourself in a position where you must win them.
Yazi Nkululeko, that's why ngithi mina each and every game important. Maka wina le game bengeke abe ne-pressure noma ngabe i-draw during the week. I'm just making an example. Une-Nedbank une-hope. Angazi uyangithola. Bekusele wena ne-Pirates. So we talk about big teams. You understand? Chances both of you can win it. Now when mawuphuma kule, i-league it's a must win. Now une-game in hand. Away win. We know we've got quality. Sometimes they've got quality players. In fact, we can't question what Sundowns has. But the coach, I think, decision making work. I think Nagula nokumfaka under pressure. As ukuphendula, he needs to win these trophies. Champions League, I can excuse. You need to win Champions League. I think the reason they brought Abu Leon, they brought Abu Bonabo Santos, they brought so many players. It's because of Champions League. He needs to. I can excuse. It's a pitch. Any Champions League, you play home and away, outside the country. You understand? And they look at the teams that are still there. I see tournament. Also, Betway Premiership. We talk about this team that's one of the best current team. Though obvious, Mangiti the best. Sundowns now is Saibala the best, but Pirates now are the best. So Pirates they still have a chance now. Though I don't believe with Sundowns can win it with the experience and the type of player Sundowns has. You understand? But the coach, Pendula, he need to win these two trophies. And honestly, the Champions League is Obanzima.
Right, nice one. Thank you very much, Junior. We are still here. We'll be watching later on Orlando Pirates against Kazrick Stars. It's one of the Sundowns out of the Nedbank Cup. It means even for the sponsors that now Itemba will go Orlando Pirates because there's still quarterfinals, semifinals to play. If you lose Pirates in this tournament, you already don't have Chiefs, you already don't have Sundowns. It's going to be a tough one to sell to the crowd. You know that South African football is moved by Chiefs, Pirates, and Sundowns. So if you lost 2 of them, Itemba will go Orlando Pirates. They'll be playing Kazrick Stars. That's going to be the other game that we'll be watching right about now. It is TV, it is Times. What's suspecting?
Hello, this is Junior Kanye. Please subscribe to Itiski TV.
This is Bongane Benedict Villagazi, they call me so. Niazi Bafetu, I'm a coach for life. They are back in winning ways. Please, subscribe to Itiski TV.